Hi, today we have an Apple Watch Series 4 40mm with a cracked glass that I'm gonna show you in this video how to replace it. First we are gonna test the touchscreen to check if it's 100% responsive, because if it's not or there is some dead spots on the touchscreen, then we need to replace not only the glass but also the touchscreen. So as you can see, everything seems good to go. Ahead and start the repairing process. Now I want to say that this repair is very hard, and Apple is making more and more the LCDs on the newer watches less durable and harder to repair. So first we need to remove the small shattered glasses so we can insert the thin stiff plastic between the screen and the force touch. That way we don't damage the force touch with applying heat on the watch. And then remove the adhesive that holds the flex cables to the watch. If you want, you can apply heat, but be careful, do not damage the LCD. To the next step, which is removing the frame of the leftover glass. I'm gonna tell you why later, but for now you will need the smallest copper cutter, and with very steady hand and precision crack the frame as so. Make sure to remove the frame only on the sides. Then you will need an iPhone front glass without the LCD and glue on it a half piece of Oka glue, which is used to glue the new glass on the LCD after the cracked glass was removed. And then remove the cover and stick the watch LCD on the Oka glue. This glue can handle high temperature and it's very strong. Let the watch heat up really good for about 5 minutes. And now for why we removed the glass framing on the two sides. It is to give us the opportunity to enter the metal string between the glass and the LCD without damaging the touchscreen. Now for the cleaning process. You can use alcohol or any special cleaning degreaser to clean the screen from the old glue. I just let the glue on the screen soak with the alcohol, so it's easier to remove the glue. As you can see, I can remove the glue with my hands, because I soaked it very good. Now to test our screen. The screen now is very sensitive, since there is no glass on it. But everything looks good to go and glue the new glass. Clean the LCD perfectly before applying the new glue. I am using here a Loca glue, which is liquid optical clear adhesive, which turns from liquid state to hard state by applying UV lamp for 10 to 15 minutes. Afterwards, clean the excess of the glue with the alcohol. Now we test our work. Everything seems working good, and as you can see, the sensitivity is back to normal. Now to the final step, which is gluing the LCD to the body. But first, clean the old glue and leftover cracked glass on the force touch. I am using here glue B7000. This glue is a clear glue and it dries in about 5 to 10 hours. And the screen needs to be pressured to the watch, so put it under something heavy. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting repairs. And if you have any other questions, just leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.